Happy Sabbath. I am Kevin Jaden. Today I am going to share my testimony. God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. God was so merciful with me and with my family during this Corona period. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. Psalms 23:1. I am so grateful and thankful to my Lord for keeping us safe throughout these difficult times. I was taught to hold on God's promises and pray. That always made me to stick on God's promises in good and bad times. I am chosen, anointed, and highly favored by God. Isaiah 45:1. In this lockdown period, I was able to learn lots of memory verse, and I was able to attend vacation Bible school classes and join in tell and win memory verse competition. The blessing of God will chase me down and find me because I obey His word. Deuteronomy 28:2. God has helped me to finish all the levels of tell and win memory verse competition. I even learned many craft works. I strongly believe that God will do abundantly and exceedingly all above all I can ask or imagine. Ephesians 3:20. And we worship a living God and who will never let me down. For sure, God's goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. 1 Chronicles 16:34.